Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called The Wind and the Sun. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 6, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. What is the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The innovation is to use attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, the student should answer the attendance according to the theme instead of saying present. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. What is the objective of this idea? The objective is to revise the concept of opposite words. So this is the objective of this idea. How we are going to implement this idea? During attendance, inform the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, you are going to answer the attendance by saying opposite words instead of saying present. For example, roll number 1, Priya, hot, cold. Roll number 2, Riya, tall, short. So, in this way, continue the process till all the students answer the attendance, and in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The learning outcomes are the student able to draw or write words in response to poems and in response to stories. The students able to write short sentences in response to poems and in response to stories. The students able to identify characters and sequence of words in a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students able to collect records and interpret simple information. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to develop their vocabulary skills. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve the learning process with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the student from the abstract world to the real world. So, these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.